Alright, here is the deal. You need to learn lighting and electrical design. And maybe you're an engineer, an architect, stuck in with the looming deadline, and you need to make decisions and solutions fast as you can. Learning a new software is pretty hard. And to be honest, you don't need to learn every feature about the software, every detail about it. Dialux, just a tool, and it's going to save you a little bit of time only if you know how to use it. And you do need to know how to use it. Why? Because in constructions, lighting is not an option. It's essential. And mess it up, you are screwing up with your project. You are affecting the building efficiency, your client's budget, and your own credibility. Nail the lighting, and you are the pro. The one who people go to when they need something. All the settings, all the features, forget that. You don't need to know everything. So in the next 4 minutes, I will show you the essentials, how to set up the room, how to place lighting, how to render numbers, and how to export the report. No fluff, no wasted time, no irrelevant features. By the end, you will know exactly how to handle lighting for your project. Either it's a simple project, a commercial one, or a small office. So no more overthinking, just with the basics. Let's do it. So here we are now in Dialux 4.13. First step is to go to the setting, general options, and choose the convenient setting. The standards we are working with right now, it's United States standards. And for global, we're gonna choose dimensions to be metric and lighting to be System International European. And we click OK. Now we're gonna insert a new room. Let's have a room of 5 by 8 and have the height of 3.45. Let's click OK. Choose a name for this room to be, for example, Office 1. And now let's assign the materials for our ceiling, wall, and floor. For our ceiling, it's gonna be cinder ceiling. Walls, that's gonna be, let's say, wood. And for floor, let's choose marble. As you can see, could not have a room without windows or doors. So let's insert some windows here by clicking and dragging it to the room. And let's change their dimensions. For example, let's have a width of 1.4 and have a height of 1.15. Let's have the height from the slab to be 1.2 and this one too, 1.2, this one too, 1.2. Let's insert the door and we can just make it to the center with the feature of the snapping. And now let's go to the most exciting part in this project, which is inserting the product of lighting. So I already loaded the torn lighting catalog. I will double click it and I will be choosing the indoor lighting, go to recessed molar, and I'll be choosing for this example this kind of lighting. As you can see here, it contains everything about the dimension, the total power, the weight, and the luminar efficiency. So I will here click right, use this product, and automatically this product will be loaded to our project. I will be selecting the product, and here is 4 styles to insert this lighting to our room. The first one is the single luminar, which allows us to insert these elements one by one. The second style is line arrangement, which allows us to insert this lighting in a line based. And the third one is to insert it in grids, like we choose the rows and the column and we could insert it. And the fourth one is the circular one. We're gonna choose the radius and we're gonna hit insert. Let's go with this one. It's not much more realistic for our modern conceptual design, but let's go with it. And as you can see, we have just to hit calculate and let Dialux do the magic for us.
It's the 3D representation of the room, and we go to output and check the summary. The summary will give us a short recap of the full study of lighting efficiency in our room. So we could just print it by going to print and print the current page to share it with your team and verify if it's going with the norm and the regulation in your country.
So you started this thinking that Dialux gonna be a headache, and now you've seen how simple it is. Get the room set up, place the light in, run the simulation, and export the report. No magic, just execution. And the faster you realize that it's all about the systems, not perfection, the better you'll be. So download the free guide below and start using Dialux. And in next time you are stuck in a project, just follow the steps. And on this note, I will see you in the next video. Cheers.